Okay, here's the snowstorm that everyone's been afraid of. We measured 17 inches thus far, and it's still coming down pretty good, and it's really cold. My hands were frozen solid. This drift that I stepped in, so you can see when I go into it. There you go, right up to there, just above my knee. Oh Lord, I'm too old. It looks nice though, for what you can see. Look, there's Patrick with the brush. Let's watch him brush and see if he can do it right. He's destroying his dad's truck. Nice. Freezing cold. Brushed off my car and found my gloves. I wore 2 pairs of gloves on each hand once I froze. Someone's got a snowblower going over there. Kids at that house last night out in the snow being stupid. Nice! Watching your technique to make sure you do it right. Oh, I hear crazy people. Here they come up the street. Let's get out of the way. Into the drift. Oh, I'm ultra stuck. 17 inches of actual snow. What's up, peeps? Man, Uncle Eric getting the snowblower going. He's back here. Oh, insane. Just see down there where it's plowed. It's that deep. It's like over my knees down at the street. It's nice when your hands are frozen solid. Oh, I hear it. Over there, snowblower. It's gonna stop. I hear people yelling over there. I hate snow. Shouldn't have moved there. There it is. Snowblower. It's wicked cold and snowy. Ooh, look. No, you missed it. Here he comes. Get the hell out of the way. Excitement coming up. Yeah. Yay. Dueling snowblowers. The guy there is racing them down the driveway. Oh man, it's cold. Yay. I'm shutting this off for now.
You get a picture of me standing this?
Yeah. No, I'm filming. It's filming right now. I'm just like standing here showing whatever's going on.
Get a picture of me.
Just a regular photo?
Yeah.
Okay.